Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install eBay for reselling items, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a compatible device, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Visit the official eBay website or open the App Store on your device. For mobile devices, search for the eBay app in the App Store. Download and install the app by tapping the Install button. Once installed, open the eBay app or website. If you don't have an eBay account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and a secure password. For existing users, enter your credentials to log in. After logging in, navigate to the Selling section, usually found in the menu. Click on Sell an item to start the listing process. You will be prompted to describe the item you want to sell. Take high-quality photos of the item you're selling. Upload the pictures to the listing page. Provide a detailed title that accurately describes the item. Set a competitive price by researching similar listings. Choose whether to set an auction or fixed price. Fill in the item specifics such as brand, size, and condition. Add a clear description outlining the item's features and any flaws. Specify your shipping options, including costs and delivery times. Select your preferred payment method, usually PayPal or direct bank transfer. Review your listing for accuracy before publishing. Once everything looks good, click the List Item button to make your item live. Monitor your listings for questions or bids. Respond promptly to any inquiries from potential buyers. Once an item sells, follow the instructions to package and ship it efficiently. Remember to leave feedback for your buyers after the transaction is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.